Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. So on the Fantom chart, we might get another low here until we finally get a 5-wave move to the upside. So we only have an ABC structure to the upside at the moment of the 10th of June low. Price did move up in percent quite nicely. Yeah, it did move up round about 40%, but that is nothing major in crypto over 3 weeks or so, 4 weeks. But it's not a major, that is not really what you can use to determine if the trend has changed back to the upside. More important than the actual price move is the structure. Now we did have our corrective price channel, so the break above it was certainly a signal of further price increases, but not necessarily about sustained price increases. So to get a sustained trend reversal, we need to see 5 waves up. You know that, yeah. At the moment, what do we have? We have maybe a wave 1 to the upside of the 10th of June low. Maybe a wave 2, that is the bullish interpretation. Maybe a wave 3 in a diagonal. Maybe a wave 4. And then we need one more high in a wave 5. Only if we get that, we have a 5-wave move to the upside. We can consider it a wave 1. Then we're looking for an ABC pullback in a wave 2. This should provide us with a support area, and then we can look at higher. But until I see that 5th wave, we really only have a 3-wave top. That is, as per the rules and guidelines of the Elliott wave method, a corrective structure. And that makes another low fairly likely. At the moment, I have to count it as a WXY structure to count this correction complete. But this is temporal, and this depends on, okay, do we see a 5th wave or not? If price breaks below the signal level, which for me is the B wave low here, what I currently count as the low of the B wave, because I just have added here an ABC structure to highlight we only have 3 waves up so far. If price breaks below this swing low at 25.5 cents, then it is likely that we're going to make new lows, and then I have to change the WXY to an ABC, because then you get 5 waves down. But then, ABC in terms of, yeah, this is an A wave, this is a B wave, C wave down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem then is we will most likely break below the 88.7 fib level, so 21.8 cents. If we do that, I would not be surprised if it eventually gets down to around about 16 cents, maybe lower, so the November lows. So the point I want to make here is we have no confirmation that an uptrend is in play. We have no confirmation that the trend has shifted of a downtrend back into an uptrend. It can happen at any time, but to really understand it, confirm it, I need to see 5 waves up. Until I see 5 up, 3 down, forming a higher low, and holding a 78.6 retracement then of this move to the upside, I have no reliable setup as per Elliott wave. Now, of course, the short-term trend is up, but most people are interested to understand, okay, is the trend getting back into a more sustained uptrend as it did here? Yeah, at least it was more or less sustainable, but of course did start to break down. And if we now lose this 10th of June low, yeah, this chart will get further into the realm of uncertainty. It is already a chart that I warned about because the rally into the February high is just a 3-wave structure and is not clearly impulsive. It is something similar that happened to Bitcoin Cash at the moment, just a 3-wave structure, and it failed to hold a reliable 4th wave. Instead, it broke down, and therefore it didn't become a 5-wave move to the upside. It ended up being a 3-wave move, which is fairly problematic, as you can see how long time-wise this correction took. This is something that Bitcoin Cash will have to deal with as well, pretty likely. As you can see here, 3 to 4 months of correction and still no reliable bottoming signal. I mean, if it bottoms in this B wave here, what I have labeled as a B wave, it should happen in this region. Any break below, again, the 10th of June low, yeah, will potentially make this chart long-term bearish. It is already not the best chart because we haven't got a clear impulse here. This is clearly a 3-wave structure to the upside where it should be really 5 waves if you're looking for a reliable long-term setup to the upside, what most people, to be honest, look at, because that is where the money is to be found. In the short term, as I said, we have only 3 waves up. I give it reasonable chance to make one more high. Yeah? I mean, I can only analyze what I see, so there's no need to predict anything. If we just need to understand what we see right now. At the moment, I see right now just 3 waves. This could be a 4th, yeah. But ideally, I don't want it to go below that swing low here at 27.8 cents, because if it does that, then it will get quite a deep wave 4. I mean, if I draw the fibs, it's already down to the golden ratio. That is sort of the maximum I would accept for a 4th wave. Even in a diagonal below that, it just gets too deep to be reliable. So bottom line is, ideally it doesn't break below the Friday low to make a 5th wave to the upside. If we get 5, we can make some progress. Until then, the risk is very high that it will make one more low, and that could take it to new bear market lows. All right, that's my update about Fantom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.